Hello, welcome to the channel. Today I am on the hunt for new EV chargers that are being installed in and around Cornwall. The one that we're going to go and see today is at Saltash. Now, for anyone that comes to Cornwall, you come over the Tamar Bridge, you go through the tunnel, up the hill to the roundabout, and there is two services. To your left you have a Shell station, and to your right you have a BP with some services such as I think it's KFC, Travel Lodge, etc., and a BP station. In the Shell station there is some MFG chargers going in. Let's get ourselves in to the... So there's actually more. So we've got chargers on our left and on our right. Oh wow. Let's and they're 300 kilowatt chargers. So let's have a look and see how many we've got. So we've got one. Is let's just turn the camera around. That'd help, wouldn't it? So there we go. So you've got 6 chargers, 150 kilowatt this side. It looks like there's CCS and just your normal AC chargers. They don't look to be twin, and I can't see any CHAdeMO either. So these are all 150 kilowatt here. So I've just had a very quick chat with the manager in the Shell station. So yeah, so behind us is the 150 kilowatt. These are not shared power. So if you're on this, you're going to get 150 kilowatt. And over here, there is 2 300 kilowatt chargers. And it looks like they're just installing all of the graphics. So this is EV power, MFG. So I was right. So you've got 2 new power washes that have been installed because of moving it, and airlines and everything else. But as you can see, if I come over here, you can see you're actually right on top of the Carkill roundabout. Just over the other side there, you're going down towards the Tamar Bridge, and this takes you down to towards Bodmin, Liskeard and St Austell. Yeah, so anyway, absolutely brilliant news. A charger, literally in a minute, or chargers. We've got a total of 6, 7, we've got a total of 8 chargers now being installed as you get into Cornwall, which is what is needed. There are other chargers. There are Instavolt chargers about 3 miles towards Cannington, at St Melian, in the St Melian complex. Ironically, there's actually none in the BP station, which I'm really surprised about. You have got some BP pulse chargers, albeit 50 kilowatt, down at China Fleet. China Fleet is a leisure complex, swimming pool, etc. And that is, you have to come out of your way to actually get to that. But this is not off of your beaten track, and I should imagine being MFG is going to be pretty well priced. Anyway, I hope you found this little video helpful. Another charger in Cornwall. There is quite a few more, as I've said, that are being built or in the process of being built, and we'll go and have a look at them in due course. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, found it helpful, give us a thumbs up. If you don't already, please subscribe. That really helps the channel. And ring the bell for notifications to find out when we're going to do any more. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.